to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you guys some of my fidgets you guys haven't seen. So I'm going to be starting, but before we start, you guys subscribe in 3, 2, 1, boom, subscribe, right? Okay, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and turn the post notification bell on so you don't miss another video. And let's get started. I got this iPhone 12 or iPhone 11 case, and I have this cute rainbow heart puppet. It's very cute. This cool ice cream one, and I'm gonna try to do it fast. And I got pop tubes. They make so much noise. Yeah. And we got this cute little emojis. 30. I got this 3 cute emojis, like a bunny, a little bear, and another bear. But yeah. Ooh, I got this one. And I got this 2. I got the banana one. It's like so cute. I know, right? Feels so good playing with them. And I have like this green one. Very cool one. I think it has slime inside. Slime. And then I have this cool stressed ball. Put a needle ball. And we got this cool sticky, kind of sticky though. And I have this, and I got, oh my gosh, look, because in the middle, so they stick out. Will you guys see? I have this new one. And we have this new Trimble Dimple. And this little cute, just little balls. And the little sticky because it's made them sticky. And we have this one's magnets. Oh. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.